You have to start living. The distance remains always the same. One does not become ordinary. You are ordinary. Pesa.
Okay guys, next day, you guys can see we got cars moved around. We have this Audi TT currently installing some KW coilover suspension. The interior is pretty much all back together. I don't know if I ended up getting any clips of it, but we actually had both of these seats out. So you guys can see they're mounted back in the car nice. Working on the back, and unfortunately, you guys can see we got hit with some crazy snow. It was really nice out. I didn't get a chance to film. I was just so quick. I pulled the car out. I got a couple of nice shots on the street right before it started to snow. Not even an hour later, we got hit with this. We ended up printing out this side skirt decal with this nice racy font. Arctic Auto styling on the side. You can see we're just currently putting everything back together. Starter light roof is all in. The trim is all painted completely black. We're getting parts back in. Just doing all the finishing touches. Like I said, this is what this video will be. These side pieces, I got them silicone on last night. You can see we lost the soldier. See, she snowed a whole bunch more, but I had to shovel all again this morning. And the roads were pretty bad, so it doesn't look like we're going to be getting the Lexus out anytime soon, unfortunately. But she's just tucked away in here. It's nice and warm. We've got the heater pumping, so she's nice and safe in here, nice and clean. You guys can see we shined up all the wheels and the tires. See guys, this is not even 20 minutes later. That's what we're dealing. Yeah, that's what we're dealing with. Trying to wrap cars out here. Last minute changes. We need to get the front bumper bracketed up. We have these little pins that we set up that go into here with a rivet underneath, so it allows quick easy access to get the front on, but we need to get the sides on. So we're gonna end up having to drill into the existing fender, and we're just gonna zip tie it, so still easy access on and off. You can see we have the bumper fully on. Everything's bolted down a lot nicer. Josh is going ahead and fitting on the wide body kit. You just see in here, you guys can see we got the zip tie in nice. So now it's going to just hold the front bumper on a little bit better than what it was. These are just kind of the last minute little finishing touches we got to do, especially for big builds like this. Just dialing in every single last part. You guys can see how much more flush everything's fitting. The car is 100% complete with all these stickers on. You guys can see interiors all put back together. Black roof. We're just out here at our favorite spot. Josh has got some killer photos of the car. You guys can see it just looks insane out here. Try to get out of his way. I just can't get over how much flake is actually on this in the sun. You guys can see we have the AS logo under the gas cap all along the side. We also went ahead and added this 4D type carbon fiber wrap for a center console. Just a little touch, you know, extra little effect. But guys, I keep saying I can't get over this car. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see some more videos like this, guys. Also, be sure to check us out on Instagram. We have a page up there where we're uploading a bunch of other videos and content as well.